Hi guys, today I'm unboxing my new OnePlus Pad, and here's the package I got received from OnePlus official site. So let's unbox it. So this is the packaging, guys. Let's keep this aside. So this is the box I got. Inside the box, guys, we have got a brand new OnePlus Pad. Skip side, and there is also OnePlus Stylo, guys, which you have to pay 5,000 extra for this Stylo. So let's keep this aside for a minute. So this is the box, guys. So let's open it. This is slow drop, beautiful. Satisfying, isn't it? I like this red and white color of OnePlus. So inside this, guys, we have OnePlus Pad, which is wrapped in paper. So let's take it out. I'm excited. This is the first look of my new OnePlus Tab. So we'll keep this aside, come back to it later. Inside the box, guys, we have got this envelope, and inside it there is a red cable card from OnePlus, some user manual, some documentations. So let's keep this aside. And there is a 100-watt charger, which is but Tab support only 67 watt, but OnePlus has given 100-watt super fast book charger, and along with this red data cable, which is very nice, and I like this cable and charger OnePlus. So let's keep this aside and come to the product itself. So this is the first look from back side. We have got this middle at the center camera plus flash, and this branding at the center of one. Guys, this is the front portion of this OnePlus Pad. Centrally placed 8 megapixel camera. Then on left side we have got magnetic keyboard point. After that, on the top of it we have got 2 speakers and 1 power button. On right side of it, 2 volume rockers and a magnetic charger for stylo, which we come to later. And bottom side there are 2 speakers, 1 charging port and 1 microphone. So this is the external specification of this OnePlus Pad. So now let's come to the software part of it. So we have got 144 Hz of refresh rate. So for browsing and for setting purposes, we have got extremely smooth experience of 144 Hz. And after this OnePlus Pad is supported by MediaTek Dimensity 9000 strong processor, which is quite decent for this price range. And after that, I have got this variant of 12 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage. Now let's come to the OnePlus Stylo, which is a stylus pen for OnePlus. This is a nice packaging and magnetic supported stylo. Inside this we have got the stylo pin for and this connect just like this to disconnect just like this. After that, OnePlus Pad looks more elegant with the stylo. And inside this box we have also got there should be a magnet inside is supported to hold one stylo. Inside this we have got some documentation from OnePlus, and there is extra nib in case if you damage this one. There is extra nib for this, so let's keep this aside. And this stylo is connected by Bluetooth to these guys and also supported by magnet. Here you can see the notification of a charging of stylo and connection. This is connected by Bluetooth. As you can see, there is a device name and OnePlus stylo is connected by Bluetooth, and you can use this for note making and also for browsing and any other purposes. So here you can use this pen. You can use this for notes making, or simply using your OnePlus pad, which is actually very smooth with this OnePlus stylo, and this whole OnePlus looks very elegant with this stylo. So OnePlus calls OnePlus pad as read fit because it supports very good for reading because of its aspect ratio. It is 7:5, and which is similar to the our real books. It won't cause any eye strain for your eyes because it aspect ratio is designed for that. So this is the whole packaging of this OnePlus pad. Along with this, I have this back cover which will unbox. Guys, I have ordered this from Amazon, this robust Rian, and which cost me 600 rupees. So OnePlus also gives official cover and back cover and keyboard, which we will see later. So this is the cover. I like its color and design, so I ordered it from the Amazon. So let's place it inside it. So this is just like this, and it is also supported by magnetic on and off here. So if you close it, it will automatically close the screen, and if you open it, automatically opens it. Auto wake up and auto sleep function is there. So this is it, guys, OnePlus pad. Along with this, I have got keyboard of OnePlus and back cover, which is you have to pay extra money for that. So guys, this is the OnePlus pad with its keyboard, which will connect just like this. There is a magnetic connector, and you can use this like a mini computer with the keyboard and mouse cursor to it. So it is very efficient and very convenient with the keyboard and mouse to it. So you can use either ways, but for that you have to pay 7,500 for this keyboard and 5,000 extra for stylo, which is I think decent, and I am very happy with this OnePlus pad. I have user experience and I have used it for a few days, so I like it, and it is very good OnePlus pad for educational and for your entertainment purposes. So I like it. Thank you, guys.